Hi, I'm Jeffrey Idris, the Director of Operation for EDOTCO Malaysia Sdn Bhd. In our operation team, we are responsible to monitor over 6,000 sites that we have in Malaysia, as well as also our site outside of Malaysia. EDOTCO has a 7x24 network operation center where we continuously monitor our network. We are also going towards zero-touch operation, where we try to automate as much as possible and also to reduce the site visit. The challenges for tower operation is about how fast do we get to the sites. When we are driving towards zero-touch operation, we are actually reducing that lead time to be able to resolve problems. When problems are resolved faster, this will result in higher availability for our customers. The end result will be basically a more positive customer experience for their end customers.